Hey everyone, just wanted to take some time to go through a tutorial for the 90-90 hip transfer. So what we are going to do is we are going to start with the lead leg in 90 degrees, the trail leg also in 90 degrees. Something that I want to draw attention to first is most of us are going to have an excessive curvature through the spine and lower back here to make up for our lack of hip abduction. So what we want to do here is we are going to want to take our hands backward behind us far enough that we eliminate a majority of that curvature. Now, we're going to start with the lead leg glued to the floor, and the trail leg is going to swivel open on the ball of the foot as far as it can before we allow that next leg to move. Once you are swiveled open as far as you can get, you are going to evenly sit and distribute your weight between both butt cheeks. We are going to continue with that initial trail leg down to the floor, and then we will swivel closed with the trail leg. What you guys will have noticed in that rep is that I did not have to constantly adjust my hand position around. So you always want to start with this rep as far back as you can to accommodate both hips' ability to rotate. So again, we'll swivel open, keeping the trail leg shut for as long as you can. Drive both legs apart as you sit evenly between both hips. Continue with that initial leg down to the floor, and then swivel closed. The last thing that I want to draw attention to is the ability to block your lower back from creating the rotation that we are looking to get through your hip. So as this leg closes down, my goal is to fight my lower back's urge to dump over the top excessively to create rotation. This drill is all about getting your leg to rotate through internal and external rotation. Give that a try, guys. Let me know how it goes.